Good evening. So how are you again? Maybe you are familiar with this gospel. This was the gospel yesterday evening and this morning and now this evening. It's good because Father Robinson is here. So last evening he had his different homily, and this morning, because I had 2 masses the morning, I had also 2 different homilies. Now this will be the 3rd homily, the same gospel, and there are some people here who went to my masses. So I need to change how to approach the gospel. But anyhow, our 9-day novena, or we could say our 9-day preparation before Christmas, it's always a journey because it patterned to the pregnancy of the Blessed Virgin Mary. That's why, as I told you before in the first 2 Simbang Gabi we had, I explained to you why we had the Simbang Gabi, isn't it? And this is in honor to the Blessed Virgin Mary. And in addition, it is like the pregnancy of the Blessed Virgin Mary. So it's a 9 days, so therefore 9 months. Then the birth of Jesus. And remember that in our faith, Christ, God, is the beginning and the end. Christ is the Alpha and the Omega of our faith. And it is good to note that in the history of salvation, we must see the pattern, how God really take an effort. You see, He is a God, a creator, yet He's the one who is doing the effort to save us. In Filipino, maybe we could say, maybe you could translate it to those who cannot speak Tagalog or speak Filipino. God is doing His effort. So in the human perspective, tila bagay, tayo yung mga walang utang na loob. Translate it in your, to those who cannot speak Filipino. God is doing His effort. God is the one who really works for us. And oftentimes, what is our payment to Him? Our disobedience, our ingratitude. We call it ingrato. Is that Spanish? That's why, as I told you, as we approach this gospel, I think there's this one thing that we must be reminded of. The dream of God to each one of us. Why I told you it is a dream of God? Because it was revealed in the dream of Joseph. Do you have your dream? What is the opposite of dream? Nightmare. Which of these 2 that you have more experience? Nightmare or dreams? Dreams. And dreams are beautiful because it brings you to the deep sleep, and it makes you, it makes your feeling better. And in the gospel, it reveals to us the dream, not the nightmare, the dream of God. What is the dream of God to each one of us? What is in the gospel? It says, you must name him Jesus, because he is the one who is to save his people from their sins. The dream of God is to save each one of us. Remember that one. That's why it's a beautiful tradition, this 9 days preparation, 9-day preparation before Christmas, because it reveals to us how God fulfilled this dream. And we can see it during Christmas time. The angel, the Lord, revealed this dream to Joseph. God revealed this dream. Now the question is, what also is our dream? Do you have your dream? Or are you still dreaming? I don't know how to translate it in English, but we often say, malayo ang tingin, wala namang tinatanaw. Is daydreaming. In short, in English, it is daydreaming. You look very far. Ano yung walang tinatanaw? And I'll translate it to your companions, to your seatmates. What is your dream? God revealed to us his dream. What is your dream? Don't compare dreaming as a wish, because wish is more on the luck side, chance. But dreaming is a vision. What is our vision? What is our dream? As we continue this Simbang Gabi, let us reflect that question. What is our dream? What is our vision? God revealed this vision. What is ours? Amen.